This video will guide you through the process of assigning a custom module to a user task within a workflow. Therefore, we can copy the SF_WF_ standard module to a new module. Within the module list, choose the SF_WF_ standard module template and create a duplicate copy of it. Let's rename the duplicate module as Create Invoice to reflect its purpose. Now we want to use the new module and adopt the user interface. Therefore, we locate the dynamic sidebar content within the structure tree and delete it. As we now have an empty content, let's switch to the Wizard section and select the Form Creator wizard. The wizard will let us create a form that we can use for our custom workflow module. We can now add our first input field with drag and drop and label it Invoice Amount. We will repeat the procedure for the next input field and label it Invoice Date. Finally, we add our last input field and label it Vendor. Let's proceed with the wizard and choose that we want to validate our input fields by activating validation. We also choose that the content should be added to our existing screen. We confirm the wizard summary by clicking Next and Create to finish the wizard. Now we select the form that the wizard has created for us and move it within the content in the structure tree. We also remove the button that was automatically generated by the wizard. To enable the validation of our date field, we now change the date format. We now open the Process Designer and the Story Validate form. We change the press event and select the button of our custom module. Finally, we switch to the Story Task Submit as we want to change the input to our newly created input fields. Now, let's save and deploy our custom module. Make sure to watch the video on how to assign the custom module to a user task within a workflow.